Hi, this is Julia, and today, as you can see, I finally got my computer. Yes, guys, this is going to be the update video to my computer. As I said, I was getting the motherboard replaced in the last video, in which I did. Which, actually, it took a while to get it back. I thought I was going to get it back in less than a week, but it turned out it took 2 weeks for me to get the computer back. Yeah, I actually have the charger up there, because I also got a new battery in this. So, anyways, so I'm going to show you the computer today in this video. As I said, I'd show you guys. So first of all, before opening it, you can see it actually closes. Because this computer had a broken hinge, which the shop replaced it. They also replaced the whole bottom of the laptop, as you can see, because there's no product key on there. Which I still have the old piece, which has the key on it. So, yeah. So we're gonna open it up. You can see the hinges they're new. Also, yeah, those are new. The plugs, it looks a little different, which I actually have these speakers, but for some odd reason they make some weird sound. I don't know why, like some little fuzzing sound. But let's just see the computer, which actually I have to say runs a lot better than it used to. It's a lot faster. I think it boots a lot faster. My opinion, it works great now. I don't know if you guys noticed, I also got these computers in the mailed, and then I have a few other computers over there. So we're gonna go in Windows 10. Yeah, I'm gonna sign in real fast. While that's doing that, you can see I have the compact computer up here. This is actually up here, this other little mini computer. I guess can sort of say replace the other computer, the other mini computer I lost. Oh, that's already booted up. So you can see this computer I got. Someone gave it to me, which someone out here, I guess. It does have a broken screen though, but it'll still, it's newer, and I can plug it in a monitor and possibly get the screen fixed. It's like a little Toshiba computer. And this is the compact I brought. The Dell, I think that's that one ThinkPad, and then this one's another new one, but I can't seem to get it to power up. I got it to power up once, and I can tell it was running XP, and then it shut down and wouldn't come back on again. So obviously, I don't know what's going on with that computer. So I'm gonna move these cords back up here, and there's my computer, which it looks pretty much the same. I did make the font bolder. I did do that. I was going to make this video like a day or two ago, but I thought I'd use the computer for a little bit just to see how it's running first, to let you guys know how it's running, instead of making a video the second I get it back, because then I wouldn't really know as fast, you know. So I have to say it does like work faster, or like, oh here, I'll load like, let's see, let's load like the internet. Yes, I do still have IE, but I only have it because of all my favorites, but I do use Chrome as well sometimes. I use both of them. So we're going to open up Chrome here. And it loads just fine. Whoop. So I have to say the computer, I can show you the system properties on it. It works a lot better than it used to. The specs are like the same for pretty much. It's still got 6 gigs of RAM. The processor I think is still the same. I'm not sure if the graphics card was updated in here, but it says what it is on CCleaner. I think it might be the same. I don't know. The 500 series. I thought it was like the 4500 series. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it really was 500. Maybe it got an updated graphics card now. My camera's actually gonna die. Hopefully it doesn't die during this video. So yeah, the computer, the motherboard's replaced. It runs pretty much the same. Well, not the same, but like better. Like it's still, it's pretty fast. I'm not having blue screens anymore. I mean, it runs a little bit faster, but like, yeah, as you can see, it's opening like websites a lot faster. I still need to edit my computer website. because I did put a computer joke, but it was for Christmas. This is like Christmas, which I actually got from computerjokes.net. So you can see it loads pretty well, and that's not the most recent video. I need to fix that. But you could see it actually loaded the website pretty well. Let's try to load like other stuff, like this PC loads pretty fast. Control panel. Run light. This cleanup runs pretty fast. I'm not going to actually run it right now. Microsoft Edge. I don't know why the icon's all messed up. I think it's like that when you do a new build. You have to like probably add a new icon. Try to run like the antivirus. We'll try to run File Explorer. See, like it runs pretty fast, and I don't think it's, you know, it's not gonna blue screen anymore. You can see Malwarebytes. I know I've had that on here, but it says it's new. I think maybe because they probably ran Malwarebytes, and I bet you they probably updated Malwarebytes on here. Because I see this weird icon right here called JRT. That was never there before. Yeah, this is something. Oh, buy Malwarebytes. Oh, no wonder they loaded something. And I guess, I don't know what this is. I guess I don't know what all this is. I guess it's just they ran some program, and this is the log from it, which they never ended up deleting off the computer. Kind of strange. So anyways, the computer, you know, it runs pretty well. I got a computer again. I will be making some more videos. I'm thinking about maybe trying some new operating systems and virtual machines here. Let's actually open VirtualBox. See if my virtual machines are still there. Yep, they're still here. So this Mac one, by the way, does not work. I tried that, but it was actually an epic fail. You know what? I'm just gonna... I didn't mean to do that. How do I undo that? I'm actually gonna delete. Because it never worked. So I don't want to keep it. Besides, it'll free up a lot of space. Maybe not really, but... It probably because nothing was ever installed on it. So when I did get it back in the notifications, it did have a thing saying to check the hard drive for errors, but it's not there. But it said something about check the hard drive for errors, and the shop did mention, by the way, that my hard drive might possibly be going bad in my computer. So I think I might run a check disk on the hard drive and see how it's running, because they said that the hard drive could be going bad, which stinks. But the computer runs well. It took about 2 weeks. I got it back a few days ago. I just didn't make a video until now. I've been really busy too with school, so I really haven't gotten a chance to make a video right away. So I just wanted to make a video to tell you it's up and running. I'm gonna go into Windows 7 real fast, which I think they worked on both operating systems. They went in both of them and worked on both of them. So while this is restarting, I can tell you about like how everything's going. I told you I have a few computers. I got a few new ones over here. I got these 2 desktops, and I actually did hook up this HP, and it's working. It's working great. Can't upgrade it to Windows 10, as you guys saw in that other video. And just more bins to put my stuff in my backpack and stuff. And my iPad's charging because it was dead. Because it was getting low on battery. That's weird. My camera died, but it let me go back on it. So I don't know how much longer it's going to last. And it said it had full battery. That was really weird. Figures, right when I said my iPad battery is going to die, the camera runs out of memory. Well, I guess I'll see how Movie Maker runs then, because I've never really ran it since I got the thing replaced. So I guess it's going to reboot, go into Windows 7, and I think I'm just going to pause the video and let it go into 7 and resume, because my camera's going to die, so... Alright, I'm back. Yeah, I rebooted and now it's preparing to configure, so... Oh, it's doing updates. I guess Windows 7 had some updates. I'm recording off my other phone because my camera died, so put it in a charger thing over there. I don't know why my camera's kind of laggy on this phone. I don't know if it's laggy for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna believe it or not, this computer has a fingerprint scanner, and it does work, but it only works in Windows 7. Windows 10 it's not compatible with, which it makes it easier because in Windows 7 to do that. So, alright, so it's booted up now. It took a while on the starting Windows screen, believe it or not. I think because of the update. I think the update was going. So, yeah, I was in here before, and I guess I had the Patch Tuesday updates to do still. So, yeah. Let's see specs on here. Oh, of course. It wants me to upgrade to Windows 10. Of course. No, I'm not going to upgrade to another Windows 7 to have 2 Windows 10s. That would totally not make sense. I'm sure you guys agree with that. So yeah, here's the specs and stuff. It's the same. The experience index is actually the same. I don't know if they ran this or if it just remembers. Yeah, it looks like they didn't run it. I definitely ran it because it says September. So, well, you can see. So that's that. I'll go in here. And yeah, everything is going great. So this is, I'm just showing you the computer. Yeah, they did, that program is on this, apparently. But somehow the log went on the other OS. I don't know why my recording stopped again, but it randomly stopped. So, yeah, I don't know how this, I think they removed it on the other one, but maybe not this one, or I don't know. There's no log on this one, the program's on this one, so it's kind of confusing with 2 operating systems. So anyways, I thought I'd show you, so finally back to regular videos again. I don't know really much to say. All I have to say is it's fixed and I can go back to the videos. It's working a lot better. I'm going to try Movie Maker. It should run much better now. You can see, yeah, it did do some updates. A bunch of them. That's a lot of updates. So, one failed, but that was a long time ago. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll have some new videos soon. And I'm glad I got my computer fixed, even though it took 2 weeks. And they were supposed to replace the CMOS, but I'm noticing the times are still wrong. I don't know if that time is even right. I'm not sure if that's right or not. But earlier, I know the time was wrong, so I don't know if that time's actually accurate right now, or if that time's wrong, because this computer, I never can rely on time, and it still gets the wrong time. Like, sometimes I still see it with the wrong time, but I think I have some scheduled tasks to update the time, which I think is why that seems accurate, because it probably is right this time, because it probably updated the time and date. Because I have a setting for that, but Windows 10 really doesn't do that anymore. So anyways, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.